Hello students. So coming to chapter 3, the Indus Valley Civilization. We will be discussing about Indus Valley Civilization which developed mostly in India, that was Indus Valley Civilization. So let's see what the book is reading. About 4,500 years ago, a great civilization flourished along the river Indus. 4,500 years ago was the time when Indus Valley civilizations came into existence. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, now in Pakistan, were probably the main cities of this civilization. So, two cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, which are now in Pakistan. You can see in the map there is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, both in the Pakistani territory, current Pakistani territory. Earlier it was Bharatvarsh or India, but now the sites are found in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, now in Pakistan, were probably the main cities of this civilization. Among the other sites unearthed later are Rupad in Punjab, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, and Lothal, Rangpur, Dholavira, and Rojdi in Gujarat. So other sites were also discovered, but pretty late. First discovery was Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Since the remains found at all these sites are very similar to those found at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they are believed to belong to one single civilization. So since these remains which are found at all these sites are similar to Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they are believed to belong to one single civilization. So just imagine how huge was Indus Valley civilization. It is the Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. So it was Indus Valley civilization and Harappan civilization not only in Pakistan, even in some part of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, the civilization and remains are unearthed, and we can conclude that Indus Valley civilization was a great and very expanded civilization. Planned cities. The Indus Valley cities were very well planned. We know this from the excavations at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. These two cities can be divided broadly into two parts, the citadel and the lower town. So, when the excavations or when the ground was dug out, we could find the remains of in the lower portion of the book. You can see the general view of Mohenjo-daro, how it used to look during that time. It has been excavated and it has been reached to a conclusion that Mohenjo-daro looked like this. So the citadel. The cities had a raised part called the citadel. The citadel had massive walls and its height provided protection against floods. So what was citadel? Citadel was a building or a situated scenario where it was located in a very high wall. It had massive walls. It was located on a height raised part, and it provided protection from floods as well. Important structures like public baths, granaries, and the town hall were situated in the citadel. In the citadel itself, they had certain buildings for public baths, granaries. Granaries is to store grain, and the town hall. Also, the whole town hall would all comprise in one citadel. So, citadel was the raised part or a higher part of the area. We will discuss about lower town in our next class. So the citadel was something that was of higher importance. It had important value to the whole Indus Valley civilization. So these cities were planned in such ways that citadels existed and the lower town existed. So we stop here. We'll be discussing about lower town in our next lecture. In fact, we have to continue with the Great Bath, or basically Citadel, in our next class. We'll continue with Citadel itself in the next class, and we will also cover some portion of Lower Town. So we stop here. Have a good day.